To connect printer with Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next step is to enter cross-device connectivity and scroll down to the print. Click on it and then go for default print service and make sure that it's on. It will also automatically look for available devices, so now would be time to enter pairing mode or on your printer. Depending on the model, it's always different, so I would just Google your printer model and then how to enter pairing mode. There's sometimes even few ways to do it. When your printer is in pairing mode, you should see it on available devices right here. Then simply click on it to add it. You can also click on this plus button and search it by IP address if you have that. Then if both of those options didn't work, you can try to add a different print service. So click on this button, it will open your Google Play Store, and for example, if you have HP printer, click on HP print service plugin and then install this plugin. It will take a few seconds to download, but when it's downloaded, we'll be able to use this plugin to connect the HP printer. So let's just wait those couple of seconds. Here we have it, and now we can go back to the print, and then you should see new service called HP print service in this case. So we can click on that, and then it's the same interface. It will look for available devices, but using the HP software. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.